Megan, and this is my first YouTube channel of Megsie Boo. Today I'm going to be showing you my JoJo stuff. Let's get started.
It's so crazy, crazy, crazy when they serve you with drama. I won't play it, play it, play it. I just do what I wanna. You can take a pic if you'd like to, but you better be quick because I might move.
These are just my JoJo bows. We'll find more JoJo stuff in the room. So I'm going to be showing you my bows for the start. So this one, I like this one because it's sparkly and all sequiny. It's really cool. So there it is. And I also like this bow because it's got unicorns on it. I love unicorns because they're like magical and I just don't know, I love them. And this bow, really like this bow because it's got different coloured bows on it. Now I'm going to show you this bow. This bow was my very first bow and I just really like it because it's like a nice sort of pink. And this is a miniature one of this. And then this one is so cool because it's tiny and I really like the signature on it because it's sparkly. This is the only sparkly signature I think I have. This one I really like because it's like my summer dresses for school. So it's really cool. It's got loads of different bows, a bit like the other one. And there's a sparkly signature. And then, I'm so excited to show you this one because I made it. So this is a JoJo bow from the JoJo bow maker that I made. If you want to see me making it in one of the videos, just comment down below. And then, I've got one last bow to show you. And this bow is this yellow one, but I really like it because it's really bright and I like gold and silver gems. Oh, I forgot one. This one. So it's like a light rainbowy. That's why I really like it. And it's got rainbow gems. That's why I like that one. Oh, and don't forget the one on my head. This is my favourite one. It's got a lollipop here, somewhere there. And then lollipops all on it. That's why it's so cool. I love that one. Now, I'm going to show you all my JoJo stuff that are down here. So, first, I've got my Jojo Siwa annual. I've done some of it in here, so I haven't done that. Yeah, so I've done some of that. Next, I've got this Jojo Siwa pen that says Dance It Out. There it is. And then I've got this Jojo Siwa notepad. So at the back it has all the candies. And then Dream. This one says Dream, Believe, Achieve. And then I've got this pen that I think it came with the Dream, Believe, Achieve, but I don't know. It's got a little bow on it there. There. And then I've got this Bobo sleeping mask. And there it is. Then I've got, you know, it's a bow you can wear in your hair, but it's got this little going down thing, so it's got colourful streams going down. Then I've got my Jojo Siwa purse. It's got a little signature there. Then I've got my Jojo Siwa doll that actually sings Boomerang. And this is her hairbrush. So you can brush her hair. And she's also got a little bow in. Okay, that's her. And then this is a little Bobo pad. So inside of the pages it says Bobo, and then it says Bobo on her little collar, and she's got a little bow on. It's Jojo's little dog notepad, and it's got a little lock. And I also have a Jojo hat, but it's downstairs and I don't know where it is. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and come back for more Megsie Boo. Bye.
Dance like this.